Welcome to Tripwise Guy. I'm here with the Pelicans and the white cranes. I'm actually scaring them away now, but flocks of pelicans. I kind of separated the flocks. They got scared when I pulled over the vehicle. There's the other half of the flock of pelicans right there. And when we first pulled up, boy, there were about 30 white cranes, more than I'd ever seen in one location. There goes two more. The last of the two are taken off. The cranes all flew over there on the roof, and there's a whole nother grouping of pelicans that go as far as you can see out that way, and then back again. It looks like probably 400 pelicans in total. Lots of bass are swimming under these birds and feeding. You can see them popping out of the water, and the birds are probably nibbling on some of the smaller bass. And we got one fisherman over here who's following the birds. And thanks again for watching Tripwise Guy, Lake County, California.